Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel first and share everything. We're looking to Ethereum. So many of you thinking, okay, we have a new bull run and the price is going here to the top side, but the experienced trader uh, see that we are in a red area. That means the price will fall to the downside. We could get something like that the price is going to these levels, and then we could get here something like that, yeah, to test this 3500. And you can see we have here a good resistant. Yeah, you can see we could get something like that, because you can see here we have here also a good channel, and this is, we see this is another channel like that, and so that we could fall to the downside. Yeah. So why I thinking this? Yeah, let's look to the Bitcoin price. I explained this also in the Bitcoin video, that we have here at the Bitcoin price a negative channel to the downside. We have here our resistance. So personally, I think the price will not go more than 52,000. But you see the walls, they stretch this move to these levels. Normally this move ends here at 40,000, but they stretch this to the top side. So I think for me it's now ending. Yeah, I think we will fall to the downside, but um, we could see here a stretch of this price to 56,000. Yeah, especially this move here is a move that we, or the walls could stretch more to the top side. If you look here in detail, we have placed to 54,000 or 56,000. You can see the price is going here to the downside. We leave this positive channel, fall to the next or low channel, and then we make here a retest to the top side. Yeah, let's look to Ethereum. We have similar situation also at Ethereum. Let's look. So you can see we have here this construct. Yeah, let's see, especially if I look to this movement here, yeah, especially this movement, then we could see a little bit energy to the top side. Let's look more in detail. Then you can see that we have here, let's look to the SI. You can see the negative impulses, and we could go like that to the top side. 4,100, 4,100. Let's look here to the left side. Then you can see that the last price was here, high price was here 4,300. So I think we are nearly in the end situation. Yeah, if we go to 4,100, then you can see we are really in the high end uh, prices. So I think we have not so much energy, especially the walls could stretch this more here to 4,600. You see they play a little bit with this price. Yeah, so we not exactly could forecast, okay, is this 4,000, is this 4,500, because this level we could also stretch a little bit more to the top side. If you look here, you can see we could stretch this here also to this level, 4,600. Yeah, so but in my opinion here, or what I think is, if Bitcoin goes to 54,000, that we could see here, if you look here to this movement, that we could see here a little move to the top side, especially if I look to the RSI, then we could get something like that. That means if I look here, that we say, okay, we will go here to the top side, then we could get, let's say, something like that. Yeah. Then it makes sense if we say, okay, the price is going to 4,400. Yeah, you can see, or 4,600. But I'm not so exact yet these levels if this 4,400 or 4,600. You have to look to the whole picture. The whole picture is very, very negative. If you look here to this move, especially this move here, then we're going sideways here, and the RSI goes to the downside. And this is a danger point, especially if this going here to the downside. Yeah, you can see sideways. Even if this go here to the top side, that not means we will go really to the top side. Okay, we're going here maybe 1,000 points to the top side, but I think this is a fake move to the top side. You have to look to the whole picture. Even if we go here, the RSI to the downside, and here more sideways or top side, you can see we have a little bit place to the top side, but I would not risk this 4,000 and here 4,400, 500 or 600 points are not so interesting, I think. Let's look to the downside area. Let's say, okay, the price is going from here to the downside or from here. So let's say we take here 4,200, and then I would say that we will see something like that, that the price will go here to the downside. So let's look to the whole picture. Why I think we will go here to the downside, especially you can see this also at the Bitcoin price. This was our move to the top side. If you look here, this was our trend to the top side, and if you look here, we make here only a retest of this. Yeah, so I think this was our original trend to the top side, and that what we make here only is a retest. So that I not understand this Moon Boys and they predict here like 8,000. In the past, this was okay. We were here at this place, and the forecast was here 8,000. Yeah, but the walls they break here our positive trend line to the downside. Yeah, so that we lose or lost our TR, yeah, our forecast for 8,000. So I think this is only a retest, and then the price will go in these levels back. I would say that we will go really bad to the downside. If this coming to the downside, you can see that the base is here at 400. So many of the people will lose their money. I would say that the Ethereum will come back to 600. Yeah. You have to look to the whole picture. If we expect that the price will go to 8,000, then the base have to be tested. Yeah, well, the base have to test it. Yeah, and then we go to 8,000. So have a nice day.